All right, so I got my homie Vince's EG Hatch once again. We've done a lot of videos so far. They've been races and build updates and stuff like that. But today, I think you guys can guess what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna give him the camera so that he could tell us what's, you know, how his builds come along and what's done to it, so that we can see how it'll do against my stock Accord.
Well, it's just a stock GSR, has an SI trans. So that's pretty much it, just simple bolt-ons, exhaust, and that's it. That's it?
Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna do a 20 and 40 roll. His car obviously is way lighter than my car, so he has the weight advantage. He also has actual bolt-ons on his car, so he does have a little bit of power gains on it. The only advantage I have is bigger displacement, but I do have my TPMS on right now, so it might kick in when we're running the 20 and 40 rolls, but we're just gonna see how it goes. But we're gonna get into that right now. All right, so we ran two sets of the 20s and the 40s. Admittedly, the first 20 and the first 40, I don't know what happened. Maybe I was just not driving well, or I didn't start up right, but there was a huge difference between the first and second runs. But all I can say is the runs were really fun. His car's loud as hell. I'm kind of deaf, honestly, in my left ear, but they're fun runs, and definitely like the mid-range and like the medium speeds, like they're close, but obviously because I have a bigger engine, towards the higher speeds, the higher horsepower starts to kick in, and that's why it'll start to pull on the car. But let's get his opinions on the races.
It was pretty close. It was fun. It was fun. I agree on I feel like I'm pretty close on the 20 roll. Yeah. We're pretty head to head. But yeah, I do agree. You do have more top end horsepower for sure. Because after fourth gear, I lose power. Yeah, essentially, and it was basically the B series versus the J series. I don't want to cause any commotion, so I'm not gonna say which one's better, but it was definitely fun. So hopefully you guys liked the video. I'll see you on the next upload.